All right, let's see if we can get it all done. So I don't have to grade the papers, and you don't have homework. All right, number one, change 165 degrees into radians. All right, look at your notes. Who remembers how to do that? Pi over 180 equals x over 165. Perfect. Then we'll cross multiply. We'll divide. And we will reduce. So, what goes into 165 and 180? 5. So 165 divided by 5. Is that 33?
Yeah.
Over 36. Am I done reducing or
No.
that can reduce more? So that will be 11 pi over 12. And that's it. Change into degrees. All right, who remembers how to approach this one? This is the backwards of what we just did.
11 times 180.
We know that pi is 180. So we have 11 times 180 divided by 6. Or I'll do 180 divided by 6, which is 30 times 11. You should get 330 degrees. It doesn't matter what order you do it. Did you get 330?
Yeah.
That's it. Easy. Ooh, but what about this one?
Pi over 180.
Exactly. Ellie says we're going to do the 3 because there's no pi in it. When it's got a pi in it, it's a shortcut. If there's no pi, then we got to do it this way. So we'll say pi over 180 equals what? 3 over x. 3 over x. This is a radian. You're trying to find the degrees. The degrees are what you're looking for. 180 is a degree. X is a degree. So pi x equals 540. Remember, you're solving for x. So we're going to divide by pi. And there is your answer. Please don't do anything else with it. When you solve that proportion, cross multiply and divide, done. All right, everybody should be grabbing for your calculator. 172.373 degrees. We want to change that into degrees, minutes, and seconds. Do you remember what to do? Well, first of all, you type that number in. Type that number in, the whole thing. Then, second angle, go down to DMS and hit enter. Now, if your notes are not clear on that process, it's time to write down those steps because we're not going to go through them all the time. You're going to have to know. Type in the number, second angle DMS, and it should come out to be what? 172 degrees, 22 minutes, 22.8 seconds. So again, if you forgot between yesterday and today, write down how to do that. Because I'm not going to keep telling you. You need to know. You type in your decimal, second angle DMS. All right, we have 202, 13, 19. And we want to change this into a decimal. You remember how to do this. Delaney? I enter 202 first. This is the one that's got to go into pieces. So 202. So second angle, pick degrees. Yep, then
And then you return
13, the second number, 13.
and then
Second angle,
and then
choose minutes. And then here comes the wild part, 19 alpha plus. And when you hit equals, what does it say?
202.2.
This is what I got. Yeah, you forgot how to type that in. Write down the steps that Delaney just went through with you. 202, second angle degree. 13, second angle minute. 19, alpha plus equals. All right. When you see this picture, guys, a formula should pop into your head. Yes.
S equals R times J.
So arc length equals radius times radians. Now, I have absolutely no problem with you saying S equals R times theta. What you need to remember though is theta's got to be in radians. Okay, we don't just multiply the radius times the angle, unless the angle's in radians. All right, so what do I know? I know the radius is 6. I know the arc length is 10. And I need to find the angle. So here I go. Arc length equals radius times radians. So what's theta? 4.
5/3.
5 over 3, right? We're dividing. Divide by 6. Radians. That's the answer to the question. That's all there is to it. Kennedy?
Can you do a decimal? Is that fine?
Um,
1.6.
I don't want you doing decimals if you're rounding them off. And that one would be rounded off, so you need to do it as a fraction. If it came out to be 1.75, that would be okay. All right, here we go. Same scenario. Only this time, the radius is 10, and the angle is 30 degrees, and I am looking for the arc length. What's wrong with the problem? The 30 is in degrees. Not good. So what do I need to do? Change it into radians. So pi over 180 equals x over 30. I need this angle to be in radians in order to do the problem. So 180x equals 30 pi, and x equals 30 pi over 180. Let's reduce that if we can. So the zeros are canceled, right? So we have 3 pi over 18, which is 1 pi over 6. So now this angle is pi over 6. Now can I use my formula? Arc length equals the radius times the radian measure. So 10 over 1 times pi over 6. Kids, this is not a proportion. If it has an equals in between, then you can cross multiply. That is a times. So we're going to go straight across. So we have 10 pi over 6, which reduces to 5 pi over 3 feet. That's the answer to the question. This radius was 10 feet, so the arc length is going to be some feet. There we go, one more. Here we go, number 6. We have a ship traveling on a course of 110. Think of your compass, don't draw the whole compass, just think of it. Where would 110 degrees be? Wouldn't it be like down here? Start at the origin. Straight this way would be 90. So 110 is a little bit below 90. So you should have that drawn exactly like I have it, labeled like I have it. And then we have to make this 18.5. And if he had a second part of his journey, he'd start here and do something. But he doesn't, that's it. He's stopping right here. Okay? How about that? Who's your favorite teacher? Just did your homework for you. Don't turn it in.
Don't